Have you ever wondered what these commands mean or what this is doing? First of all, we're looking at the RM here, and typically in Linux, RM means remove. This is saying RM tac F, and the RM tac F is basically telling us to remove the temp file if it exists. The tac F here is preventing it from looking at files that do not exist, because you know from time to time there are some file names there, but they're not actually files that are there. Now the semicolon is making sure that the command flows sequentially, and then it moves on here to this mk FIFO here. Now what this is saying is that it should make a pipe, right? So mk FIFO is basically telling you to make a pipe in this folder here, the temp folder, right? So this is concatenating this temp folder to connect to whatever comes after this pipe here. Now the output of this will become the input, will connect to the input of the command that follows the pipe, right? So when you get to the bin bash here, the bin bash is the type of shell that you are going to be using, and the tac-I is making sure that it's an interactive shell. Number 2 here represents the errors, and 1 represents the output. So this is really telling you that from the interaction, you should send the errors and the outputs to this pipe, and you're sending all of this. You're sending the shell from this machine and the output of that shell and the errors, whatever errors, you're going to send it to anything that comes after this pipe. The netcat here is giving a command to connect to an IP address, which in this instance is our attack box. So because this output is going to go as an input to whatever follows this pipe here, it's going to connect the shell session, the interactive shell session, and its output, its errors and whatever, to the attack box, which is to send a connection request to the IP address for the attack box and the port that it's listening on.